To replace a tank, you notice the meter is noted at 0. You want to make sure that if you're in the red region, you have a tank nearby. What's important to know is if you're done with the tank, make sure to shut it off, or else you're going to lose the remainder of the oxygen. So it has to be at 0 to shut this off. In case there's still air in there, make sure you shut this primary valve here. Turn it to the right to shut off. And you're gonna unscrew the regulator like so, a few screws, and this will come off. What's important to note, there's 2 little holes here, there's 2 little holes there, so you have to get the holes in first and then screw it in. So I'll show you how to replace a new tank. Take off this plastic, just use a knife or a key to take it off, and as I show, there's the 2 holes and there's the 2 pegs there. So this goes in like so. There we go. So if you see something on the alignment, and make sure they fit in like so. Okay, so some common things that can happen is if you open this and you hear a noise. Let's see. See, that's green, but if you hear a noise, likely you left this one on and you're hearing a noise there. Or see how I'm emptying this regulator out? If you put this on too loose, you might hear some noise out of the tank, like so. So that's not good. So you just close it right away, retighten the regulator, then reopen it. There we go, and now we know we don't hear any sound. That's correct. Then you can set it to her setting. These are liters per minute, like so.